Good morning students. In previous video we are discuss about various career option available in the field of physical education and Khelo India movement. Today we are going to start new topic competition in various sport at national and international level. As we all are aware, there are different sports that played at national and international level. First, we talk about hockey. Hockey, previously known the national game of India, but right now there is not any national game of India. Hockey Federation of India, Indian Hockey Federation IHF, is formed in 1925. Formed in 1925, and International Federation, Federation means association. International Federation FIH, Federation International Hockey, formed in year 1924. Hockey included Olympic in 1908 at London Olympic. First time hockey included in Olympic Games in year 1908. Jawaharlal Nehru Gold Cup, DCM Cup, Ratan Tata Cup for female, Ajlan Shah Cup, Indira Gandhi Gold Cup. These are some trophies and cup played at national level. Various states team participate in these games. If we talk about international games, international level, then hockey played at Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Champions Trophy, World Cup, etc. Move on to next game, badminton. Badminton Federation of India. Badminton Federation of India formed in year 1934. And International Federation is also formed in 1934. Badminton is one of the prestigious game of India. Rahmatullah Cup, Chadda Cup, Narang Cup, Konica Cup, Syed Modi Championship, and other trophies played at national level. They all are national level competition. If we talk about international level competition, then Thomas Cup, World Cup, like World Cup of cricket, Thomas Cup is a World Cup of badminton that started in year 1948. Over Cup, it is played by world top female badminton player. All England Badminton Championship, it started in 1899. Over Cup started in 1957, and All England Badminton Championship for both male and female played at international level. It is started in 1899. Some other international events are Sudhirman Cup, Ruia Cup, etc. Move on to next game, TT. TT, it means table tennis. Table tennis is also known as ping pong. Earlier, table tennis is known as ping pong. Federation of India, Table Tennis Federation of India, TTFI, formed in year 1938. In year 1938, and International Federation of Table Tennis formed in year 1926. 1926, first time table tennis World Cup organized in India at New Delhi in year 1952. First time table tennis World Cup organized in India in year 1952. Table tennis introduced first time in Olympics in year 1988. There are various trophies and cups that played at national and international level. Some of them Travancore Trophy and Pitampura Cup played at national level. Swethling Cup, Youth Hunt Cup played at international level. International level competition also include Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, etc. Move on to next game, basketball. Next game, basketball. Basketball is one of famous game of the world. Federation International Basketball Association, FIBA. Federation International Basketball Association formed in year 1932. Formed in year 1932, FIBA and Indian Federation of Basketball formed in year 1950. First time basketball include in Olympic Games in 1936. BC Gupta Trophy, Prince Balsat Jha Trophy, Services Trophy played at national level. Federation Cup, National Basketball League, Asia and America Cup played at international level. Basketball are also played at Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and many more.